That one's out.
Woo! Northern Territory, baby! Welcome back to a new one. We don't know where we're going other than we're in the Territory. I think it's still school holidays here, so we're going to try and go a little bit slower to some of the big stops. Going south to Uluru,
Yep.
then going north up to Darwin. That's the plan at this stage anyway. What do you reckon, guys? You excited?
I'm super excited. Can't wait to go back to Uluru.
What do you reckon, baby? Excited?
Excited.
What did you got all over you? She spilled pie all over herself. Enjoy, guys. Morning. So first night in Northern Territory, done and dusted. It's not bad. It hasn't been as cold as it's been the last few days in outback Queensland. So I think it's 12 this morning, heading to sort of just under 30. So we're just parked up at, I think it's Wanora Boar Rest Area or something it's called. Free, plenty of vans around, a little bit of noise from the road trains, but that's okay. Just a little tip though, because this is the first time I've camped really close to these pit things, or the asphalt. Last night we were parked over there. When we first pulled up, we set up and we were downwind from it, and just that petroleum smell, or whatever they washed the rock and asphalt in, it smelled like I was on a scooter in Southeast Asia, just inhaling those fumes. So we literally moved around this side of it, and yeah, spent the night here. Had a good old chat to a couple of people that knew some people that we knew, or Trina knew, or Trina's fairly new. But yeah, glorious morning. Heaps of spots. You could fit 50 vans in here easily. So anyway, on the road again today. Don't know where we're going. Probably, maybe somewhere around Tennant Creek. We'll at least fill up with petrol over there. And then up Devil's Marbles, or sorry, down Devil's Marbles. Somewhere over there. I just want to slow down a little bit and not do massive days, because been a few big days lately with the kids and everything, so yeah, it just gets a bit tiresome, and that's in the car all day, and fair enough with it as well, that's fine. So we need to find a nice little spot, but yeah, on the road. Look at the size of these things. They are massive, these road trains up here, something that we don't get in Victoria, and they get even longer than that as well. So anyway, ciao. So Camberwell to Barkly Homestead, 270 k's. So Camberwell was the last stop in Queensland before we crossed the border, and then 270 k's to Barkly Homestead. It's impressive in there. I didn't get any footage because I was in a massive line. It's an institution, and it's so busy. But yeah, it's all been redone. There's camping, there's pub, there's happy hour apparently, there's music every day. Yes, Eva, happy hour. And it's just like, I spent a whole of 3 minutes in there paying for the fuel, but it was pumping, and it's just tastefully done. Like, it looks really cool. I don't know how long it's been done for, but it can almost smell of fresh paint. So anyway, we've got a couple of 100k now to get to the Stuart Highway, and then from there I don't know what we're going to do. We just need to get some reception and actually check out a few camp spots and see what sort of tickles our fancy. And Bob's your uncle, Robert's your mother's brother. So we've just pulled up here at the Devil's Marbles Hotel, as you can see over the background. We were looking for a paid site, or a campsite, but they're fully booked at the moment. So there's this little parking area directly across from the pub, and you can free camp here. So for us, like, there's water if we need water, but we don't. We're pretty full on it. Plenty of solar above. The only problem, I guess, is that that's the road just there, the Stuart Highway. So I haven't actually heard a road train go past. I don't know how many actually get in this area, or whether it's lunch or something for them at the moment. But we're going to stay here. We're unhitched already. Devil's Marbles are like 10k up the road. So we're going to go check them out. And yeah, we're allowed to use their facilities across the road. Showers, toilets, there's a pool there. They got happy hour from 5 till 6 with $5 schooners on tap, which sounds pretty good to me. So Will's just currently oversleep. Then we'll go check some things out. But this is all we kind of need, I guess. sort of see the traffic going past now. I don't know whether it'll get busier or whether it's just sort of been like it has been so far, and that's pretty good to be honest, so can't complain for being free anyway. Plus we get to use all the facilities. We're just out the road from our camp at Devil's Marbles, or Karlu Karlu is the traditional name. It's pretty cool. I remember coming here as a kid when I was 12. We slept at the campground actually. And just to get up close to them, it's just a fascinating formation. Eva's been reading, doing a bit of schoolwork with all the signs, how they formed, how they cracked, the histories for them, but yeah, the animals and the everything that lives and grows here basically. But yeah, they're massive. We're just going to do a couple of little walks here because it is quite warm and I forgot my bloody hat.
The place you're from, the wealth of the color of your skin, and all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late and you wonder why. It's a struggle in the strife, but don't you agree? With beating hearts we're still alive. There comes a time when all you have is who you love. All I'm thinking of. It don't mean a thing what shape or form that you're in. The place you come from, the wealth of the
big block.
burns to the sky. It's all too late and you wonder why.
Mama?
Yeah, I thought it was good. No one liked my Shrek jokes, but
I think she's saying the wrong quotes anyway.
I am not.
Say it.
The donkey in Shrek says, "I like that boulder," when he gets to Shrek's house.
Does he?
Yeah.
I feel like I know Shrek pretty well.
Oh,
I'll look that up when I'm editing this
good.
anyway.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
Yeah, so we've been walking around for what? Probably 40 minutes, 45 minutes, something like that now. Sort of through them, over them, around them. It's all designated where you can walk. You're allowed to go on top of some. I have read people getting a bit narky about people walking on top, but like these little markers and the walks show you where you can and can't go. There's a whole side that you can't take photos of either because that's a sacred site. But I reckon it's pretty cool. I know we read the sign of how they're formed, but this sort of stuff and Black Mountain up near Cooktown, I don't know, it's so weird that it's just so random in the middle of nowhere. So Devil's Marbles, anyway, happy hour, $5 schooners. Can hear them calling our name, baby.
And the pool's calling my name because I'm hot.
What's it saying?
It says I'm calling Eva. Yeah, but it don't work.
Get in, babe. Eva, I'm filming you. Go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
On 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You don't have to get it if you don't want to. Baby, how'd you go?
It's freezing.
So it's just been a happy hour at Devil's Marbles Hotel.
I made some friends.
Yeah, even made a couple of friends over there, and I said to Mum as we were walking, I said, Mama, we're just going for a couple of drinks.
Yeah, and
That's
I
it.
knew well
That
and
is
good
it.
that meant we were going for dinner because Dada didn't want to cook.
Give her an inch and she'll run a mile. So we ended up having dinner there because she saw some gold plates that they've been awarded for like 5 years in a row.
Oh my god.
And all of a sudden, all this good stock fridge in here that we got in Mount Isa only yesterday just has to wait another night now because Mama wanted to have dinner again.
No, Dad wanted to have
Mum wanted to have dinner again.
See, the kids
Eva
know
wanted to
how
have
it
a. Me and Will just wanted to have a little barbecue, didn't we, mate? Hey?
No.
What was it like? It was alright. It wasn't bad. It wasn't worth.
It wasn't great. No, I'd rather have cooked dinner.
I made friends though.
Yeah, which is good because Eva's kind of. Oh, she made a friend 2 nights ago as well, actually. But no, they were having a ball over there, so kind of ripped them away from that, and we come back here. It's starting to get a bit chilly tonight, so. Well, it's always sort of hard to know how much or how long an episode's going to be, but I feel like that one's going to be very short. We've covered a lot of ground, we just haven't done much with driving. So we're now on the Stuart Highway. We left Devil's Marbles this morning. It was noisy, like, it was quiet, but it was noisy when the road trains come through. Like, they weren't constant, but it felt like they were going to run through the whole caravan. They were that loud when they did come through. So we were hoping to stop at Wycliffe Well, which apparently is the UFO capital of Australia, but it's all shut. There's nothing, you can't get into the service road. The servo's shut there. Everything, it's kind of like, I assume it'll just become a little ghost town now. So yeah, just doing big K's going south as we slowly make our way towards Uluru, Alice Springs, that sort of thing. We're booked into the station to start the road, almost there actually, but yeah, now that we're on this road, I assume it'll be the same once we get to WA. There's only really one road in, one road out of all these places, straight up the Stuart Highway. So it's busy. Like, there's so many caravans on the road, and I assume that'll be the same in WA as well. So anyway, short one, Devil's Marbles, start NT. Hope you liked it. Give us a like, give us a comment, subscribe if you like. Mama, anything to say?
I'm sick of driving.
Sick of driving. Yeah, we're gonna stop. Gonna stop for a couple of days here and just sort of, I don't know, reset. Is that the right word? Sounds like a dicky.
Relax.
Relax is a better one. Not reset. That's a dicky corporate term, I reckon. So anyway, see ya.
I pray that you believe it too, that you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper,